So in GS1, there are 5 major themes, and we would start by discussing Indian culture, which is like the first syllabus topic under GS1. So Indian culture, I prepared my own notes for it. I had a basic chronological sequential notes, which I had made from R.S. Sharma and a mix of Tamil Nadu NCRT and Nitin Singhania notes. So what I did for them was, starting from Indus Valley civilization to the post-modern period or the modern period, the Guptas, the Cholas, and the recent ones also, the Mughals also, I had prepared not a lot of details about them, but what I had done is I had chronologically written the order in which the kings came and what was their particular contribution to the kingdom, and in terms of specifically art, architecture. If there is a Gupta era, so you'll also talk about literature. If there is a modern era, you'll also talk about Ashoka's stupas. So what were the unique things about every ruler and their kingdom, and what was the significant architectural innovation that they had made? I had made a list of it, and some examples of some caves or some sculptures, whatever was a prominent field at that time. I had written that also in my notes. So these were the notes that I prepared during, I think, in the beginning. And I remember in this attempt, I had not revised art and culture after my prelims, and I did it only in the morning of the examination day. Those 20-page notes, and from those only direct 1 or 2 questions came, because I had written there about Guptas and Cholas, and then a question came directly about the Guptas and Cholas architecture, and I could remember the keywords from there, and I directly put it out in my paper. So you can always have notes for people who are writing prelims next year. This is a very suggestive step, because we end up thinking that for subjects in GS1, we shouldn't make any notes. But I would say you can make some contextual notes for mains for your answer writing per se. And for people who are writing mains this year, I think use your prelims knowledge to the best of your ability. Revise just your prelims notes and don't go for making notes at this point. So we'll discuss 1 or 2 questions around culture and see how could you approach them, or how differently you could write them.